Embracing solitude is akin to the lone wolf on the hill, whose hunger surpasses that of its counterparts in the comfort below. The arduous journey of walking alone, though challenging, is the crucible that forges strength and character, leading to the most profound destinations. To those navigating solitary battles, defying conventional norms, and confronting skeptics, persevere and endure. Maintaining resilience in this solitary expedition is paramount. The formidable path, often underestimated, holds the promise of unrivaled strength and character development. To those facing battles alone and challenging societal norms, remain steadfast, for this demanding journey is the catalyst for your profound metamorphosis. In the midst of this formidable trek, the message echoes loud and clear: stay resolute, persist, and stay true to your authentic self. The resilience you exhibit during this solitary sojourn will yield invaluable rewards. The profound wisdom learned along the hardest walks shapes your essence and contributes to the construction of a robust character. For those traversing the solitary path, confronting challenges independently, and resisting the conformity imposed by others, stay unwavering and resilient. It is this lone expedition that will ultimately define your unparalleled strengths and distinguish you among the few who possess exceptional qualities. Do not succumb to the pressures of conformity. Resist the temptation to lower your expectations merely to fit into a world that may not fully comprehend your uniqueness. Your purpose transcends fitting in. You were destined to stand out and lead. Embrace the narrative of the wolf climbing the hill, persistently hungry for growth, seeking intellectual nourishment, and aspiring to reach unprecedented heights. In the pursuit of your goals, anticipate challenges, and relish the difficulties, for they are the stepping stones to unparalleled achievements. The journey, even if undertaken alone for a while, holds greater value when headed in the right direction than merely following the herd in the wrong one. Stay resilient, be distinctive, and recognize that your destiny lies within your grasp. Venture forth with determination, hunt down your aspirations, and feast upon the banquet of success in whatever endeavor you undertake. Download or stream this wisdom to any device worldwide by searching for Fearless Motivation.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.